Hey people, I am back with another video. Here, let me show you what this video is not sponsored by, but this is the best way to get slime if you're not allowed to make it. So, you want to buy this box. It is the best slime ever inside of it. You could also play the game. It comes with 2 packages, so you could just play with one outside of the package and play with one with the game. It is amazing. So, it's not sponsored by it though, but it should be, but it's not. So, I'm going to show you what the bags look like. So, I already opened this one, but it's like it's a Ziploc one, so you can put it back in the bag. So, you want to open the bag, and this slime, it's like, look at this. It can stretch for days. Well, I mean, yeah, it can stretch forever. But, yeah, you get what I mean. So, this slime is better than any slime I've ever seen or felt. If you add water to it, it'll get a little sticky. And I think it gets stretchier. So, I added water to it before I made this video. And it's a little sticky-ish. Like, this slime is the best slime ever. So, there's another package inside the box, just like this package. You would want to rip it open and see how it has that Ziploc thing. So you can do this. Like, this slime is the best. So instead of making your own slime, if you're not allowed to, I would suggest getting Experiment Slime Games. That's what this box is called. So do that next time your mom won't let you get slime. Or if she won't let you buy this. I don't know where my mom got it from, but my mom got it for me for Christmas. So I would like to tell you where, but I can't. So